How's it going, everyone? Teddy here again, your go-to guy. Today I'm going to tell you about Keap, a powerful CRM and marketing automation software that can help you grow your business. What is Keap? Keap is a CRM and marketing automation software that helps you automate your sales and marketing tasks so you can focus on growing your business. With Keap, you can manage your leads and customers, create and send email marketing campaigns, automate your sales process, and track your results, to name a few. How does Keap work? Keap is easy to use and affordable. You can create an account in minutes, and you can start using Keap's features right away. Keap works by automating your sales and marketing tasks. For example, Keap can automatically send emails to your leads, nurture them through the sales process, and close more deals. What are the benefits of using Keap? Well, there are many benefits to using Keap, including saving time and money, increasing sales, improving customer service, and growing your business faster. If you're ready to grow your business with Keap, click on the link in the description below to sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn more about Keap and how it can help you grow your business. See you on the next one.